Yesterday, a child came out to wonder.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair makeup artist, and today we're going to be doing this really beautiful sparkly gold New Year's Eve makeup. Now, unfortunately, my microphone was not working this day, so we're going to be doing a voiceover. I really hate voiceovers, but alas, here we are. If you want to see this super quick, easy, really effective, super sparkly, beautiful New Year's Eve gold sparkly makeup, then please just keep on watching, and we're gonna struggle through this voiceover together. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just pop on some concealer onto our eyelids. I'm just going to take a little brush and blend that out, and this will just prep our eyes for our shadow application. So first I'm going to take a nice light bronzer shade and apply this to the transition area, so just above the crease, and just using back and forth motions to really blend that out. Then we're going to take a nice chocolate brown, and we're just going to kind of carve out the crease a little bit underneath that like lighter shade, just to kind of get a little bit more gradation and definition there. And then once you've kind of applied that color, you can again just take a bigger brush and blend that out so you get a nice smooth kind of transition crease area. Now we're going to take some concealer and apply it to our lash line. I'm going to look up, and this is going to give me the most simplest, easiest guide to creating a cut crease. This is such a good little trick, especially if you have like smaller eyes or hooded eyes and you're not really sure where you need to apply your concealer so you'll actually be able to see it. This can be really, really helpful for you. So you just take a small little brush and kind of do the detail work and just kind of, finesse it around and make it nice and clean. Then I'm going to take this molten gold shade and I'm going to apply this to the center portion of the lid using a nice flat shader brush to really pack on that pigment so we get a really beautiful gold sparkly eye. This shade is so beautiful. Then I'm going to mix these two champagne shades, one from the Born to Run palette and one from the Pure palette, and I'm applying that to the inner portion of the eye, just that inner corner, and we'll just blend that in with the gold. This is just going to give us a little bit of a slight gradation, and then I'm also going to use it in kind of that like skin fold area to just really brighten and open the eyes. Then I'm going to take this really pretty brown shade and apply this to the outer portion of the eyelid, so just kind of creating almost like that outer V, kind of mixing it into that crease color and just kind of giving us a little bit of that gold sparkly like bronzy over there as well. Now I'm going to take a little glitter glue and pop on some really beautiful sparkly gold glitter, so perfect for New Year's Eve. So I just take a little bit of glitter glue, nice and tacky, press that on, and then pop on that glitter right on top. Alright, so then I'm just going to do some two basic black little wings, so just finesse that with a little brush, have them, nice and clean, fit your eye shape, the whole shebang. And then I thought it'd be a little bit fun for New Year's Eve to use a little bit of black sparkly glitter. So I'm going to take that same glitter glue, just press that on the liner, and then I take that small brush again and just press that glitter on top, creating these like two black sparkly wings. I thought that was just like a fun little, different intricate detail that'd be fun for the look, and I love how it came out. So I'm just going to clean up any glitter particles that have fallen like so. And unfortunately my face makeup also was completely out of focus, so my microphone didn't work and we have no face makeup. I apologize. So if you want to see that, just go to any other video I have. I have so many face makeup videos, but now all I'm going to do is mirror the top of the eyes to the bottom of the eyes. So the champagne shade is going in the inner corner, the gold's going in the center, and that bronzy shade is going on the outer corner as well. So just exactly mirroring the top and the bottom. So now we have our lashes, our face, and our eyebrows are all done. We're going to finish off with a little bit of mascara just on the lower lashes, and then I'm going to move on to the lips. So for the lips, I'm using the Teddy shade from the NYX Lip Lingerie lipsticks that they came out with. I absolutely love these. I'm using this as a lip liner, so it can be a little bit tricky, but just use a small brush to help you smooth it out, and it'll be perfect. And then the Nude Cake by Charlotte Tilbury lipstick right on top for a really beautiful ombre nude lip. I absolutely love how this lip came out. Such a good combo, such a good look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. And there we have it, this really beautiful gold sparkly New Year's Eve makeup, really easy to achieve, really effective, and just really beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and thank you for bearing with me while we do this voiceover. We'll be back to our regular scheduled programming very shortly.